Hello and welcome to another video. Today we have a set of earphones from AirAux, and from what I have seen on pictures, these look more expensive than they are. Let's hope that that's the case. The model name is UM1 and they were released not so long ago. AA is for AirAux. We have Bluetooth 5 and the earphones have 60 mAh batteries and the case has an extra 500 mAh for charging on the go. Playtime is said to be between 3 and 4 hours, but we will test that later. Transmission range is about 10 meters. The box looks very nice itself, but let's have a look inside it. On top we have a user manual and it's got English language, so don't worry about that. Here's the case with a nice AirAux logo in red color. Inside we have a charging cable, and as usual it's a micro USB to standard USB cable. So sadly there's still no USB Type-C. The case looks very nice in matte black color and it's got a rubberized layer all around it, which feels very nice to touch. Charging it from 0 to 100% takes between 1.5 and 2 hours. The lid is magnetic and inside we have the earphones and an AirAux logo. I must say the color combination looks very good with the black and red together. The quality feel so far is also very good, and the lid has a strong magnet so it will not open by accident. On the side of the case is a light indicator that shows the remaining battery capacity and the charger connector. The light will blink for each 25% that is remaining, so 4 blinks means it's got between 75 and 100% left. The earphones also look quite good, and on the front we have a touch-sensitive area for controlling calls and music. They also have wings for securing the earphones from falling out, which is good for jogging and other activities. Under the touch area is the microphone, which is good enough for calls if there's not a lot of noise from the surroundings. The rubber buds are quite standard and we can easily pull them off, although there are no extra buds included, so there's not really any point in removing them at all. Here's also a light to show the connectivity status, and right now it's in pairing mode. The back side is also rubberized, which is good as it will create a bit more friction while wearing them. They are also rated IPX6, so taking some water or sweat shouldn't be a problem at all. The magnets that are holding them in the case is quite strong and should keep them in place during transport. To pair with your phone or laptop, just look for the AirAux UM1 and click it. Now let's see how fast it will reconnect after being disconnected. Took a few seconds, but not bad at all. The touch buttons can be used for controlling music. Just touch the left or right one once to play or pause. Hold for 1 second on the right one to go to the next song. Hold 1 second on the left one to go back, or again to go to the previous song. To start the assistant, just double tap it. We can of course also control calls by using these buttons. The touch controls work very well and are easy to use and responsive. The earphones are quite comfortable to wear and the wings hold them securely in place without any discomfort. The battery usually lasted me about 3.5 hours while playing music at loud volume. And the case can charge the earphones about 2.5 times before it's empty. So we have a total of about 9 hours of music. Sound quality is quite good and the bass is punchy and nice, but is a bit missing at the lowest rumbling basses. The bass is still good though, so that was just a bit of nitpicking. Mids and highs are also good, so the overall sound is rich and nice. Overall, this is a good product for a good price. And that's it for my review. I hope you liked the video and click the subscribe button for more. Have a nice day. Bye bye.